Halloween collection video. This is it for you. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, woo! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love all things 31, love the fall holiday season, you want to get ready, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm giving you all the goods. This video is all about seeing the Halloween collection that is launching in August for a limited time until October 31st. Again, this collection is a limited time and also while supplies last. If you want to shop, of course, links are all down below. I had an amazing opportunity last month to see these prints in person, and guess what? I'm bringing you along. So if you want more of these behind the scene videos, again, hit that subscribe button, join the club because I'm going to be unloading more there. And let's just get to see all this Halloween fun. Halloween collection right here. And I wanted you to check this one outlet. This is up close. This is how. I'm trying to do.
Scratch it.
Oh. There's this one more people see this. Look at that. And look at the ghost. People want to see the ghost. They want to see the ghost. And then the ghost on these prints. Yes. Oh, look at this one.
We weren't sure about that.
The googly eye. So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget, mark your calendars, Saturday, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 a.m. East Coast Time, Bag Babe TV every Saturday. And if you want more, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.